Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Fast and Furious 7 Lykan Hypersport car. So yeah, it's a very nice car. It's very cool. It has these really cool lights. It says Furious 7. There's the Lykan Hypersport logo, or the Lykan logo in general. The doors, though, open up backwards. They come out like this. So yeah, it's a very nice, smooth car. It's a really nice car. I really like it. So yeah. It's also a pullback car, I believe. Pull it back. Is it a pullback car? I'll check real quick. Okay guys, so it's not actually a pullback car. I thought it was, but it's not. And on the bottom it says scale. And then Lykan Hypersport, Fast and Furious. So yes, and if you watch the Fast and Furious 7, you know it's the car that jumped through 3 buildings. Oops. Well, that was the car. Just like in the movie, got wrecked.